Let's see what is the difference between mass and weight.
What is mass? The quantity of matter contained in a body is known as mass. It remains constant. Units used to measure mass is grams, pounds, ounces.
What is weight? The force acting on an object due to gravity, and it is represented by g. It changes from place to place. Units used to measure weight is newtons.
Whenever we say that I am 50 kg or 75 kgs or this rice bag is 25 kgs, it's actually mass, not weight. So how do we calculate weight? So let's see how do we calculate weight using the equation W equal to mg. We have W equal to m into g, that is mass into gravity. So for example, if I want to know the weight of a particular substance whose mass is 100 kg, I should substitute this mass in this equation. So here we should know what is the gravity of Earth. So we all already know that gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. So for base units, we take this 9.8 meter square units as N, which is nothing but newtons, because weight is a force. So the weight of the 100 kg mass body is 100 into, I am substituting in this, which is equation 1, 100 into 9.8. Why 9.8? Because acceleration due to gravity exerts 9.8 newtons of force on 1 kg of mass. So for 1 kg it is 9.8 newtons. So for 100 kg we should multiply with 9.8. 100 into 9.8, which is nothing but 980 newtons. So let's see the variation of weight of a body whose mass equal to 100 kg on different planets. So here I have taken 4 columns. On the first column I have written the planets, and the second column mass, and the third column acceleration due to gravity of different planets, and in the last column we are calculating weight, that is equal to W equal to mg. So on Earth, if you see, the mass is 100 kg and the acceleration due to gravity of Earth is constant 9.8. So W equal to mg, that is second column into third column, 100 into 9.8, that is 980 newtons. So the same mass on Venus, it is 100 kg and acceleration due to gravity of Venus is 8.87. If you calculate W equal to mg, if you substitute this 100 in m and 8.87 in g, 100 into 8.7, 887 newtons. So the same body whose mass is 100 kg is weighing 887 newtons on Venus, that is weight. So the same body on the Mars is 100 kg and the acceleration due to gravity of Mars is 3.71. So the weight equal to 100 into 3.71, that is 371 newtons. So if you see on the Moon, the acceleration due to gravity of Moon is 1.62. 100 into 1.62, 162 newtons. So till now we are getting the weight is decreasing, because acceleration due to gravity of Venus, Mars, Moon are decreasing. Earth's acceleration due to gravity is 9.8, whereas Venus is a little more less, 8.87, and next Mars is 3.71 and Moon is 1.62. At last, if you see Jupiter, the same body whose mass is 100 kg is weighing 2492, because its acceleration due to gravity is its acceleration due to gravity is 24.92, which is almost 25 times more than that of the Earth. So the weight of a body whose mass is 100 kg on Jupiter is 100 into 24.92, that is 2492 newtons. So weight depends upon the acceleration due to gravity of the planet, but mass remains constant all over the globe, or we can say universe.